All right. Hello, everybody.
Hello, I have a question.
Yeah.
Uh, I put like the green thing and I just press 5 5 5 5 5 5 5, then 4 4 4 4 3 the star 5 8 5 6 8 7 7 7 7, and it goes a big number 3 1 5 6 no 5 9 8 7 6 0 4 7 9 0 5 3 7 3 0 0 0.
Yeah. Big number.
Yeah, it's 3 zeros.
Mm-hmm.
That's a big number.
Yep. Anyways, today. All right. First, let's all sign to Scratch.
Yep, I in Scratch. My mouse is going crazy.
Sign in.
Wait, did I save it? I think I remember to save it.
Mm-hmm. Remember to click Save Now. But today we're starting a new project. Yay.
Yay, what is it?
It's not as fun. It has more to do with
Math?
variables. Yeah, a little bit.
Oh. Get the mouse. Sure. Score 605. I score. Get the mouse. Yeah.
So go to my stuff and
The mouse is eating me.
and we can make a new project. Let's make a new project. Do we know how to make a new project?
Yes.
All right, let's all make a new project. Yay.
Like what? Wait, what did you do again?
No, I clicked create to make a new project.
I want to keep working on my old one.
Yep.
Again.
You can keep working on that other time, like on your own time. I'm going to cover some other things like variables.
Oh no.
You can always go back to your old project and keep working on it, but I am
my new project.
Yeah, I'm going to walk you guys through a new project. Yeah. So click create and it will just bring you to a new project.
Wait, what it does?
Yeah, it'll just make a new project if you click create on the top left.
It will be the same to start. Wait, is this gonna be start over again?
A new project, yeah.
Wait, what? I need to save mine.
Last time you already saved your other one, so
yeah.
So it's already saved. When you click create, it makes another project.
Then do I have to save my other one?
Nope, it's already saved if you saved last time.
Oh, phew, I did.
Okay, now you don't have to worry about it disappearing. It's there.
Okay, wait, where should I click save? Press the arrow.
Is there a save now button?
Save now, yes.
Click it and then you can click top left Scratch and then just go back to this page.
Top left Scratch, where is it?
So when you go to, okay, let's see. Suppose when you're here, right? In the project. So here, top left, this Scratch icon, you can actually click it to go back to the home page.
Wait, what? That's cool. Oh, there's a new game.
Yeah.
Wow. Battle a code bad. Wait, what? Battle 0 a code jumper. What does that say?
I don't know, but yeah. So let's click to create.
Is that Teen Titans?
Maybe.
There is.
Yeah.
I see a. And there's Friday Night Funkin'.
Literally, I don't know what the banana peels even mean. Literally,
there's a banana?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
guys, can we click let's click the create to make our new project.
Oh, yes. Great. Please create. This is my second time.
So when you click the create,
It goes back to 0.
yes, but it's a new project.
Yay. Go, mouse.
By the way,
All right.
Okay,
Guess-
ponytail.
All right.
Oh, same now.
What do you think we're making this time?
Math.
A little bit, yes. More specifically, the cat is going to ask you a very simple math question and you're going to answer it.
What?
Yeah.
If the cat says hello, you say
what if
hello. How do you do?
No, yeah. So it's gonna be something like cat says, what is 5 times 5? And then you say 25. Kind of
Oh
like
my
that.
God.
it's too easy?
I
How
know
about
it
he's-
is.
How about you say get no, 1,000 times 699 trillion.
All right.
How about
Yeah.
you say that?
See, the thing is, the questions themselves could be easy, but how do you actually make the game? Right?
How?
How do
Yeah,
you make
how?
it? Yeah, exactly. That's why.
Wait, this is like Baldi, that game,
Mhm.
the bow guy that is trying to hit you with the ruler guy.
Okay,
I'm
I've
not
no
sure.
Like Baldi Basics.
I am not sure that if I know that one.
I do not know that. one.
Wait, we need to go 1540. Oh, 0.
All right, but anyways, remember last time I said we have variables?
Yeah. Oh, wait, what you said that?
Remember like last time I added a
Variables?
variable for score, right? In the
Yeah.
other project. So this time we're also using variables.
Oh,
So we have to
yeah.
drag something to be like when something is pressed.
Yeah, we'll do like events and when the sprite is pressed. Whenever you click the cat, it's going to give you a new question.
What it does? Project saved. Wait, I didn't click save.
I don't know if that's autosave. It might have. But yeah, so we will from events we call when this sprite is clicked. When this sprite click. And then
When the
Well-
space. What?
when the sprite clicked.
Oh, I see.
Mhm. It's in the events. In the third from top down.
That's cool. So how can we talk to the cat?
We will get there
Yes.
step by step. It is not that simple.
Okay.
So yeah. So let's go to looks.
Hello.
And then we can make this cat say hello for 2 seconds when it's clicked. So
Yeah.
when you click it, it says hello.
If someone's reading that, shouldn't it stay longer than 2 seconds?
Yeah, yeah.
Or
But
4
just
seconds.
we could change that. Wait.
I broke
yeah.
it again. No, I did not.
We can make it say hello for 2 seconds, right? This way
Or
I can talk.
3.
But
No. Yes.
yeah, but this time we're not using this one. We're using some other things.
Like what?
actually- It's in the
Change like
sensing.
set.
In sensing, in the
Yeah, I
light
see
blue one. And then we're going to use this block.
I
Ask.
knew it.
So
Ask
and then
what your name and wait.
yeah.
What? This is so cool.
You have to type something to answer it.
You
Wait,
know how
my
long it waits?
My
Yeah.
name.
You have to type something and then enter or press that.
Wait, do I have to type something?
Yeah, and then it will be finished after you type anything.
Wait, can I type now?
If you make this block,
Yeah, I did.
then you did this, and you can just type, and then it will finish.
My name is Gordon. Wait, should I say that?
If you want.
Okay.
Yeah, this is what we will use to ask a question. And to get the answer, we use answer.
Answer it.
Name.
So now we're going to make it ask a math question.
Can I do
Oh no.
cubed?
It can be more complex if you want to change
That
it.
was it.
Can it ask what pi is?
Pi,
Pi.
pi is okay. How am I supposed to
Oh yeah,
answer
I
this?
know. I know what pi is.
Yeah.
It's a number that will never stop.
Yeah.
3.1415, something like that.
All right. Yeah, I mean, if we want to play the memorizing pi game, I think I memorized 60 digits. Because I was.
Oh yeah, I know that. My teacher
But
learned about
see,
that.
the thing is, it's kind of pointless because there's a thing called computers and they can just do it.
I have
So,
a question for the cat.
mhm.
How does a cat don't like to swim?
That's a good question. I don't know since I don't have a cat. And I never figured it out.
Oh. Well, we should ask the cat to the cat to say how can the cat will never like to swim. Or
Potentially you
Why?
could.
I could
And why
ask
does
Samuel.
and why
You could make the questions more complex, but yeah, yes. Please.
and why does the cat wait what?
See, asking the cat a question is a lot harder.
How can you do that?
Yeah.
I think you have to make another character to ask the cat.
You don't
My
exactly
name
have
is
to.
Dawn.
It's very hard because, okay, let's think about this. If you ask the cat a question, how does the cat understand your question?
I don't know.
It doesn't understand your question. It's just, for example, if you say, ask me a question, right?
Yeah.
Well, how will I understand the question? Like,
Ask me a question. Why do you not like to swim?
yeah, and then like, how does it understand what you type?
Oh yeah, because it's a cat. The cat don't understand your words.
Well,
It just say
yeah.
mouth.
Human, would that understand it?
It's not
Like
even
mouth?
it's not even a cat.
Computer cat.
It's a fake cat on the computer, and the computer doesn't understand words.
Yeah.
Technically,
A computer is
Well,
not
maybe
real.
The computer can understand words, but it is very, very hard. You
Let
can't.
me type.
it's like a supercomputer.
You don't need a supercomputer, but just that they don't understand any language, so we have to
Type it in.
yeah.
Well,
If we want to
question.
make the computer do anything, we have to do it in computer language. Yeah.
I have a question. So the cat cannot talk to the human's words. Then why can't we just say meow?
Well, you can make it say that if you just like make it say it, but it doesn't understand what.
That's a code.
Yeah. So
Wow.
if it says hello for 2 seconds, it's going to say this whatever you typed in for 2 seconds, but it doesn't know or understand what the word mean. It just does it.
And looks weird.
Yeah.
So we cannot talk to the cat. Then we're gonna say beep boo bop boo.
Not quite. Those are also human words.
What? Beep boo bop boo? Beep
Yeah.
boo bop boo is a human word.
Yeah, it is.
Might be a crazy language.
That's an alien word. What?
Mhm.
People babu?
It might be a language.
Yeah, so
Oh, yeah.
anyways, let's make a
I
variable.
don't even know what people babu.
Let's make a, do you remember how to make a new variable?
Yes, no, yes, yes.
Go to variables and click make a variable.
You can make it
You can make-
yourself.
Yeah, you can make a new variable.
People babu's English. What are you making today?
We're making,
The cat says meow.
Try Oni.
Fun.
number,
Oh my god.
we're going to make a new variable called number one. Okay, do you remember how to make a new variable?
What?
Yeah.
No.
Can I just write one?
You can just, I'm calling it number one because it's a number and we have more numbers. Number one. Anything.
What?
I'm going to call it number one, but you can name it anything, but
Number? Numbers 345, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Then 2, 3 comes in and say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
anyways, if you make a variable, it's going to automatically, remember last time when I said, if you have the checkbox, it's going to show up.
Yes.
This time let's uncheck the checkbox.
What? I know that.
Two.
And then if we have number one, we're going to make another one. And this time it's going to just be our second variable and also
Number.
uncheck it.
Wait, how can you click that?
Click which one?
The high end, oh yeah, let me write it. With my pen.
Do we all remember how to make variables?
Can I just do one?
For the name, you can do anything.
How
But-
can you tap this code?
Take that.
What do we need all the numbers for? Yeah.
Well, you will find out, but we need two variables.
Oh, okay, numbers.
What are the variables names like?
You can name it
Bubble.
anything. It's just a variable's name doesn't really matter. I call them number one and number two, but you can name them however you want to.
I can name my own self.
You can.
You'll be Gordon Street plus 2, 1. That's it.
All right. Do we remember what variables can do?
No. Oh yeah, I know. It
Yeah.
can make 4, 5,
Yeah.
and 6.
So you can set the variable to a number
Yeah.
and it's going to keep that number. So if you set,
Okay.
if I set number 1 to 4 and click it and make number 1 show, it is 4, right?
Yes.
We can make-
Great.
Make it like any number.
Yeah, not even just numbers, anything. See, the name is called number, but it doesn't even have to be a number. For example, I could type like number. See, it's not a number, right? But it works.
I call score 1 and score 2. I have a question.
Yeah.
Like, can I call it score 1 and score 2?
You can but we're going to do some math with these. So one important thing is that the name for your variable should make sense with what you're doing. So if you call it a score, then if it's not a score and you call it a score, it can be a little bit weird.
I have a question.
Yeah,
I need to do it again.
the variables,
Yes.
just click
Yes,
this,
I just make it long.
click make a variable.
I just make it longer.
How do you make what longer?
The variables?
Like by Like, what do you mean by make it longer?
Like I just tap the period excitation mark OISIP9WU8OWEYUKYU.
Did you type a really long name?
Yep, I did.
Don't make it too long. Try to make it. Try to.
Right now I have 4 variables because I can't delete any of them.
So to delete a variable, right click. Okay, wait. Right click and then you can delete.
Oh.
Right click on the variable.
Hey.
Hmm?
How?
Oh.
Like I can't get it to come delete.
Oh. So right click, and it should see. You should see this. And then you can click to delete the something variable, and it's going to
Find
delete
it.
Hmm?
Like how do you exactly do it? I can't do it.
It's on the. Let's go to variables, and do you see like you have your variables on the left side, right?
Yeah.
So to delete a variable, for example, I'm going to delete my variable. You right click it.
How do you write
There's two more buttons.
score to 0? When you count like
There's
get to 0.
this wait. Right click, or if your computer's mouse has 2 buttons. It's the right side button.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
It doesn't.
Mine works on the left.
Well, yeah, anyways, your mouse should have 2 buttons.
Oh shoot! I just think I just break it.
Oh yeah, there's 2 buttons on it. And I'm pressing the one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have to press the other one.
Yeah.
Oh.
Your other mouse button, which is called right click, well, because it's on the right side.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Wait, how can I change?
I click it on the left side because the right side is the one I usually work with.
I mean, anyways, it's like the other button that you don't use usually. That's that button, and then it should bring you to this, and you can click the delete the something variable, and then it deletes it.
But how can I delete the variable? Because I need help to delete the variable.
Right click
Right click where?
on the variable that you want to delete, like on the left side.
Okay.
Right click.
I'm doing score 1 because it actually makes sense because of the score. It's kind of like score 1 and score 2.
Yeah. If you want to rename them, right click. You see the other option called rename variable. You can also do that.
I didn't know about that, so I first made some extra ones. Yeah, like the one I'm using.
Okay, but anyways, do we all have number 1 and number 2, or like 2 variables?
No, shoot.
Make 2
Yeah.
variables. Make 2 variables and put them here. And then use set variable 1 to something, set variable 2 to something. The number in there doesn't matter for now.
Okay, I hope this works. Okay. No, it doesn't work.
All right. It didn't work?
No.
What happened?
No, it did work. Just I need to erase the number that did for D, D-O-I,
I don't know because I can't exactly know what's going on.
Oh,
I don't know what you know. So
yeah.
there's that. So if you click make a variable and type the name, click OK. If you want to delete, right click and then delete or rename.
I need to I need to delete one. Need to delete one, but don't know how.
Your mouse, your computer mouse has 2 buttons, right?
Yep.
So what do you usually use to click, right? And you use the other button and then click.
Wait, what?
You click with the other button and then it's going to bring up this.
Wait, you click what?
Does your mouse have 2 buttons?
Yes.
So when you hold down the button that you usually use, you can drag this block out, right?
Yeah.
So if you hover your mouse on the variable you want to delete and press the other button,
Okay.
do you see what I see?
No. Wait, press what?
The other button.
What? Okay.
Do you see this, like rename variable and delete the something variable? Do you see
No, I
this?
just see 0.
What you see? You see what?
Zeros.
Zeros?
Yeah.
0 to me too.
Do you have, okay.
Delete.
Oh, so you clicked it and you see a 0.
No, I just found the delete. Which one is delete? Wait, no. Oh, I'm deleting the cat.
That's the wrong one.
Yeah, I know.
It's not delete on the bottom right. It's on the left side.
Left what?
It's on the, you have to, so when you click the variable, it says 0, right?
Yes.
So what if you click with the other button, like other mouse button?
You mean this button?
I don't know,
Which
but like
button?
you should have 2 buttons.
Oh, delete.
Do you see it now?
Yes. Please
Yeah.
delete.
It's called the right. It's called the right click button
Oh, I didn't
because
use
it's on the right side normally,
here.
right?
Yeah.
So it's called a right click.
Finally, I delete that. That was getting on my nerves.
Yeah, now you can delete it, and we need 2 variables. So
Well, I have 3. My variable, number 1, number 2.
then that is also good. You don't need to delete my variable. You can just leave it alone.
Then how can you do number 2?
Like what do you mean? How to do number 2?
Yeah, the number 2. That you know the score button. Number 2 and number 1.
You have these 2.
No, it just has 1. Oh yeah. Oh.
Let's set both of them to something. Set, and then your first variable 2, it should be default 0, and set your other variable to 0. Default should be 0.
Number 1, number 2.
Okay, do we all have this part?
Wait, no, wait.
Yeah.
Do I need it like the ask and wait one? Do I need it to be?
Not yet. We just need these 2 for now. The ask and wait, we will get there.
No. Shoot. Okay. No, I still have 1. 1 score.
Do we have these 2 blocks now?
Yes.
All right.
Oh.
For the 2 variables.
Yeah, do I have to click 2 variables? Nothing.
Okay. So we can do pick random between 1 and 10 for both of these values in the operators.
Oh my god. I got 2. Oh.
And then now if you click the cat, it's going to
Where are we going?
No.
operators and pick random.
What do you just My variable is the first one.
Okay, I'm done with that.
So no, whenever you click the cat, it should just make both
Whoa!
variables to a random number.
What should I do? Go up. Okay. Wait, how can I go up?
Like make the cat go up.
No, I'm not. I mean, how can I go to the green one?
Oh, you will click the green one.
Oh, I found it. Okay, the green piece.
There's a pick random.
Okay. Come on. Yes.
And then all right.
Oh, 0. Wait, it's not fair. It's not fair because my variable and number 2 is gain to a. My variable is not having any numbers.
Well, did you set these two correctly?
Yes.
Okay. What are the names of your variables?
Number 2 and number 1 and number 2.
So does it say number 1 and number 2 here?
Yes.
Is there pick random 1 to 10 in both?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, so is it under the when despite clicked?
Yes.
So when you click the cat, does it make those two numbers like random?
No.
How? If you have this exactly, it should. If it's exactly the same,
What? Long range, slide, hide, no more room. What does this say? 20 to 100. There's only 100. I'm done.
okay. All right.
No, I'm not done. No. Wait, what? Wait, did I just write it?
It's 2 blocks. All right. So
Wait. Okay. Do I have to click 2?
like where?
Nothing. Okay. I have a question. How can you not slide this?
Okay, now what?
Slide this.
Slide?
Yes, I just put slider and it turned to slider.
Oh, you made it a slider?
Yes. Yeah, that one.
So right click and okay, wait.
And
Wait, you made it a
and
slider? Wait.
Yes, I did.
So right click and you should see this
Mm-hmm.
and click normal readout.
Normal reader. Okay, 66.
And then you should go back to normal.
Yep, it did.
And then if you have the set number 1 to pick random 1 to 10 and set number 2 to pick random 1 to 10. And under this, when despite click, when you click the cat, it should just put both number to a random number between 1 and 10.
It does?
Yeah, does it say pick random 1 to 10?
Well, 1 to 10. No.
Well, make it say 1 to 10. Or
Oh
it
my
could be really
God.
hard. Yeah, like this, 1 to 10. It should already be 1
Oh.
to 10.
My verbal doesn't have it, but my number 1, number 2 can. If I click the cat, it goes to 5 and 7.
Yeah, my variable, you're not using that one. So uncheck the checkbox on the left so it doesn't show up.
Oh. Oh.
So
Oh, yeah.
uncheck the checkbox on the left and it will disappear.
Okay.
And
That's fine.
we are not using it.
Yeah, because it doesn't work.
All right, does everybody have this part?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now we have two random numbers. Now, what do you think I'm going to do?
I don't know.
Ask.
Never pressed it yet.
Yeah, we're going to go to sensing and go to ask. And we're going to get to the
Diana.
question part.
Wait, shoot.
And then
when
ask.
your name-
Ask something and wait. But what do you think I'm changing it to?
I don't know. When can I
What
guess?
yeah?
I don't know. Okay, ask about your name.
No, yeah. I'm going to ask what is number 1 times number 2?
What?
Ooh, math question. Yeah. So go to operators again.
Hard.
7 cubed.
Yeah. So go to operators and we have a drawing.
Okay, operators.
We have a drawing.
Where is it? Apple, banana.
Yeah. So
What?
what do you think what do you think this block does?
The box just said, as when your name then just turn to the cat, but as what your name, but
Nope.
apple and banana?
Nope.
Oh, shoot.
It doesn't do that. So right now it's going to ask what's your name, and then this part. Okay. Yeah. What do you think this does?
I don't know.
What's your name? What's your
You could choose what to do in the apple and banana.
No. Like ignore the other part. Ignore this. What do you think this drawing block does?
I don't. Ask.
No
shoot.
asking. What do you think? Just the drawing. What does the drawing do? Take a guess.
Draw a banana.
Well, no. How does it know what a banana is, right?
Yeah, because it's a computer.
Yeah. No. So one drawing apple and banana. So it's going to say apple, banana. It joins them.
What?
Yeah, it joins
Apple.
them.
Wait, does
Yeah, it just joins them. It's just drawing. So it just joins them.
join banana and apple? How can I do that?
Drawing apple and banana. It takes these two things and you put it together.
Apple, banana.
Yeah.
Apple and banana putting together. Oh.
So you
then-
could also do it with like this.
Drawing 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, it's just going to literally put them together.
What? That's so cool.
Right? All right. So now we know what this does. We're going to need quite a few of them.
500. No.
So we're going to use this drawing a lot. So we can say, what is in a space? And then
What's
we can
in
use
space?
what is, and then because we're going to make it ask what is number 1 times number 2, right?
Oh yeah, I remember.
So we could do what is, and then we can actually plug in number 1.
What? Wait, how can you do space?
Space bar.
Oh wait, where's the space bar?
It's in the middle of the keyboard.
Middle? Where?
No, like the long bar. It's just a space.
Oh
The space
yeah.
bar.
Oh yeah, I remember that bar.
It's a space bar.
Yeah. What?
So you're going to use a lot of this.
Yeah. What?
You're going to do this.
Is
And all this is required to ask a simple question.
what is
Wait, I haven't done this yet. I really need to finish it.
Mhm.
wait, how can you have join?
You can have drawing, right? And you can put a drawing inside the drawing.
It's kind of like plus.
Yeah, it's kind of like a plus, but you're not adding. You're just putting them together.
Oh, that's cool.
Well, if drawing, it draws apple banana, right? But
Yeah.
what stops you from this gives you apple banana. So what is stopping you from drawing apple and apple banana? Nothing. Apple
Yeah.
banana.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
You could do this as much as you want.
wow, this is cool.
Mhm. So we're going to
Very.
do, what is number 1 times number 2? Question mark. And we have to join all of them together.
No.
And then where do you think we're putting this block?
The top? No. What?
Ask,
What's
yeah.
your name?
Ask
Yeah.
this. Yeah, ask this. And it's just going to ask you.
Yeah,
Yay.
that's cool.
Now it asks you.
Does it? Is it real?
Hmm?
Nothing. What is?
Now when you click it, it should ask you a simple question.
Yep, it does. Wait, what? Wait, what? It does?
Yeah, when you click the cat, if you have this exactly. Variables are interesting. You can set them. You can set the variable to a number. And then you can use this to see what number is in there.
I don't have a question mark on my computer board.
Hmm?
I don't have a question mark on my computer board.
Like a keyboard.
I have a board, but I don't have the mark. The question mark.
I see. So when you type anything, it doesn't type a question mark.
Yeah.
So is there a key that looks something like this? So you have a key on the computer.
Can I show you mine and see if it's correct?
Yes. Do you have like a computer key on a keyboard that's like this?
I'm very
Like physically on a
confused.
keyboard. So if you
No.
no, is there not a question mark? Oh no. Ask drawing, what is number 1 times number 2 question mark? Excellent. Yay.
I can't even press the question mark.
So to do a question mark,
It's too hard.
But when I click it, it just shows when I click the question mark button, it just shows the line.
Yeah, it does.
oh, like a dash like this?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it
just
does.
like
that.
Me too.
Slash?
So
Yeah.
so it's actually saying what number 1, number 2 is in the score box. Like it's actually kind of doing.
Oh my god, this is so hard.
Okay, so to type a question mark, okay. I'm going to walk you guys through this. So you have
How
like,
can you tap it?
so you have to hold these 2 keys at the same time. So there's a shift key, right? Somewhere.
Shift, and there's another one like there's different, and you see like one of these kind of it's kind of like there's different stuff on it, like two, and then you press the shift.
Wait, what? Shift? Wait. Oh, that was so easy.
Yeah, you just hold these 2 keys at the same time. Shift key and the slash question mark key. Does it type a question mark now?
Oh my god. What is 9 times? What is 9 times 6?
What is it?
6. I don't know. 9 times 6 equals. Oh, this is so hard. 6 plus 6.
How do you get the space between them? I can't get it.
Ah, so here's a trick. Okay. So there's just a sneak trick that I did. So to tap more space, you type the space. You tap the space around the words in the middle.
I didn't have the answer.
6 times 9 is 54. Ooh.
54. That was the answer the whole time. I can't do it that quick.
Do I have 2 spaces behind the what is?
No, you tap one space after the what is. What is? And then one space. And then around time, type one space in front of times. And then one space after times. And that should make it enough spaces.
46. 45. I forgot. Wait, what's the answer?
Or what?
9 times 6.
54.
That was that easy.
Yeah.
Wow, 54. Oh, shut. No, please. No.
All right, now do we all have this part?
No. I clicked 50. I clicked 45.
Do you have this? Do you have this now?
Yes.
Okay, do you have to ask?
Well, no. I delete. I click back.
Okay, so yeah, if we have this part, so in the sensing, there's also an answer. What do you think this does? So if you click the cat, it, for example, for me, it asks me what is 10 times 8. So I say 80. And what do you think the answer is?
I don't know.
The answer is what you type in.
8. What?
I typed in 80, so it's the answer is my answer to the question it asked. I said 80.
Was that right?
Hmm?
Was that right to 80?
Yeah. So what is 6 times 3?
6 times 3. 6 times 3. That's a good question, but I don't know.
18.
Yeah.
18?
So the right answer is 18, but suppose I type in something wrong, like 10, right?
I tapped in 45.
Now, what do you think the answer is?
45.
No, like on my, yeah, so I typed in the number, it asked me what is 6 times 3. I typed 10.
18.
So the right answer is 18, but what do you think this answer is?
It's like your answer. It's like the person's answer.
Yeah, it's the person's answer, exactly. So how will we be using this? So go to control and we have, remember this one? If something, then something. If, then, and there's an else. Right?
Yeah.
So we put this under here and we'll be using another block from operators.
Yay.
Equals.
That's what? Oh, nice.
So this will check if the left side equals the right side. So what do you think I'm going to do? So if your answer is indeed equal to number 1 times number 2. Oh, oopsie. If they're equal, oh, the star just means multiply, or like this times that.
Oh.
Because you don't have a multiply key on computer, you only have the star.
This is so hard. Oh my God, that's cool. What is 10 times 8? Oh, that's hard. That's hard. What is 10 times 8? 8 Plus 800? Well, I need help. I have a
80.
question. 80?
10 times 8 is 80. You have 8 tens.
What? It was 80?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm going
Okay.
to try it out.
You want to try out? Yeah. So to try out, we'll have to finish it up with the if thing, so that you know if you get it right or wrong. So we have this if answer is equal to number 1 times number 2 now, right?
Yeah. If then?
If and then this else is what happens if it's not true. So if answer is equal, say you got it right. And then if you got it wrong, just say you got it wrong.
Like what? Equals. Where's the equals?
So if you do this, you can try it out now.
Oh. Equals. Answer.
Oh, by the way, these two you can flip and it will still work. You can do if number 1 times number 2 equals answer, or the other way, if answer is equal to number 1 times number 2. If they're equal, then they're equal. The order does not matter. And then now you have feedback. We can play this game. I'm going to change the background to make it more fitting.
It was 8?
Chalkboard, yeah.
Wait, you can play it?
Yeah, it is not complete. So I'm going to hide number 1 and number 2.
Wait, why? How can I do that?
You just uncheck the checkboxes.
What?
All right, what?
Exclamation point.
What is what? I couldn't catch that.
Where's the exclamation?
Exclamation? Oh, it's shift and 1 on the keyboard.
How can I separate the words?
The like for which part? The drawing?
Yeah.
So you will type what is, and then you will type a space after it, right? And then for the times part, you will put a space after and a space in front. And then you can fix it. Drawing just puts them all together without any instructions. It just literally puts them together. So if you want the space, you have to type the space.
I have a question.
Yeah.
So how can I do answer equals number 1 point?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
it's in the operators. And then there's an
I
equal.
didn't. Yeah,
It's
I
an equal
did that.
block, right?
Yeah,
And in the sensing, you have answer,
yeah, I did that.
which means what you typed in. And here you have to multiply.
Yeah.
It's this one,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
And number 1, number 2, you can just plug them right in. I mean, like plug them in the multiple. Yeah,
Wait, is
good
it
job.
hard?
What is?
And then plug in the number 1 and number 2.
No, you just drag them and then put them in.
Hey, can I try out now
Hmm?
or whatever? Like, can I try to play it now?
Yeah, you can try play it now. It should be all working. If you click the cat, they ask you a question, and then if you answer it right, it will say you got it right.
Oh, that's not hard now.
It kind of did sounds. I didn't really want to do the say.
Mhm. Oh, the say.
So I did a play sound.
It's fun.
I did play sound.
It's really fun.
It's really fun. Yay.
I play if you got it right, it'll play a yay, and if you played it wrong, put the answer wrong, it'll put a buzzer.
Yeah, that also works. Just anything that provides a feedback. It's not, you don't have to make it say, you can also make sound.
not working.
It's not working?
Yeah.
Well, how exactly can you describe it?
I cannot play it because. Do you have any idea what I should call it?
Wait. What was that?
When I tried to type it in, it just said, and at the bottom it just said Chinese, so I can't type it.
Oh,
Oh, Chinese.
okay. Hold Alt and Shift on your keyboard together. The Alt key and the Shift key. Hold those and then just tap them together. And that should change.
It doesn't work.
Doesn't work. Okay. I'm not quite sure how to make that. If it's not typing in English, I
It
could
is not
be-
typing English.
Is it typing in English?
No.
Oh God. Okay. Because if it's a Mac, I don't actually know the keys for that.
What?
I don't use Mac, sorry. I don't know.
Well, how can I have stage?
Stage? Oh. Like what I have?
Yeah.
So click the backdrops, right? Click choose a backdrop. And you can choose one. I just chose chalkboard. Any guesses why? Well, there's just always something with math and chalkboard for some reason. I don't know why, but yeah, people love chalkboards. People who do math love them for some reason. I do not understand.
Chalkboard.
So yeah,
Where is it?
anybody want to give this a try?
Yes.
Like on my screen. What is 3 times 9? Yeah.
Click on
What
mine.
is 3
button.
times?
27.
27. Yeah,
Wait, how can
you got it right.
How can I do 3 times 3? 3 times 3 is 9?
It's not.
This is
9.
9.
9, knew it.
Yeah.
9. Please give me one. You got it right. Yes.
What is 6 times 9?
That's easy.
54.
Yeah, 54.
How
Easy.
do you know that?
You kind of just
It
know.
doesn't work.
Does it work?
It doesn't say you got it right or you got it wrong.
Oh, that's easy.
Okay, do you have this part? The if part?
Yes.
What is 2 times 7?
That's weird. Okay.
14.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. So does it say like
Yeah.
if answer equals number 1 times number 2 and then you have say blocks?
Oh.
Yeah.
and then you put it under, and then it should say if you got it right or wrong.
Yeah. What is 9 times 5? Ooh, that's tricky. And that's tricky.
Yeah. That's easy.
Or have we? I mean, we all learned how to do multiplication, right?
No, I'm
No?
still doing it. One,
Yes,
two,
I know.
7. I
Not to do
don't,
it.
I don't know what 9 times 5 is.
Oh no. 9 times 5 is 45.
It was 45. What?
Yeah. I'm
Okay, let me type
assuming
that.
I'm assuming you haven't learned it at school yet. Oh no.
No, my grandpa learned it. My grandpa teach me about it. My grandpa teach me about what's 1. 1 times 1 equals 1.
Ah.
They don't add together.
Mhm.
That's the easy part that I know. What is 9 times 9? Okay, that's hard.
81.
How do you know?
I memorized it.
Oh wow, that's a good one.
Anything below 10, just pretty much memorize.
I know
Because
12.
you kind of just have to memorize anything below like 10 when you multiply.
Oh, that's harder.
You just have
What
to
is
like
5
just
times?
yeah. The
What is-
fastest way is to memorize. There's
It's
no
so easy. It's 5. 5 times 1 equals 5.
Mhm.
Please don't be right. Please don't be wrong. Yay.
All right. Does everybody have its work now or no?
Yes, this is pretty fun.
Okay, but what if you want, do you know how to make it harder?
No.
It's easy.
How?
Remember we said number
Oh, you
one
mean
and
like
number
the
two?
like you mean the times even higher? You mean like the
Yeah.
times?
Yeah. Remember, so because we set the number 1, number 2 to only between 1 and 10, right?
Yeah.
Well, you can make it bigger by changing the upper bound. You can make it go from like 1 to 20
What?
for both of them, and then it's gonna be really hard. Yeah, what is 12 times 18?
Ah, shoot, I got one.
I don't have no idea. I haven't learned. I only have done like
Yeah,
literally
yeah.
I know.
10.
Mhm.
I never done it like literally 1 to 20. I never done that.
Let me guess.
Wait. I got one. Let's do it to 100.
1 times 20 was 20.
I got an idea. Why
1
do
times
you
0
want
is 0.
to 20 and the other one below 5? Because then you just have to you have to just like chew up like which stuff like that.
Yeah.
Because it might be kind of like easy.
What?
Yeah, you could do that. What is 1 times 11?
I have a question. What is
That's one.
57 times 78?
What?
What is 57 times 78?
Wait. Can we like one at a time talk? I kind of have to hear.
Where did you get the green one? Walking the if then statement?
Which thing that the which block?
Yeah.
Oh,
I have a question now.
in the sensing this answer, and you can drag it inside like this.
I have a question now.
Yeah.
Okay, what is 57 times 78?
You realize that is really hard to do in your head.
It's on 100. 1 to 100.
Oh yeah, there's a reason why people invented calculators.
What? Oh yeah, I can use my dad's calculator.
If like anything above 20 to do it in your head, it is not realistic.
Okay, let me see. What is this? I got my own calculator.
What's 3 18s?
Just use a calculator.
You could, but yeah, I suppose.
57 times.
Just guessing. No. I have to answer. I'll just guess it.
All right. So now, okay. Now I'm going to make this game a little bit better.
I have a question.
Ow.
Yes.
Okay. I just tap to 1 to 100, 1 to 100, and what's 57 times 5 times 78 equals this number.
Oh yeah, you can just type it in
Yeah, that was so easy.
with a calculator. Yeah.
That was so hard.
Your math teacher's not gonna like it, but I'm not gonna say anything about it.
Yeah. Okay, that is so hard. 46. Dude, that was so hard. That's wrong. How can that be wrong?
Look how I made it better.
What?
Oh, how do you do that? Can I do that?
What?
Yeah, it's drawing, right? It's drawing again, and then you just type.
Let's join. You got it.
Yeah, it's in the operators, and it just here.
Okay, where is it?
Yeah, operators, and then scroll down bottom. There's a drawing, and then
That one, banana one.
you can replace it like you got it wrong, and then the right answer is number
Banana?
one. Nope. And then you drag the multiply block.
Okay, how?
Well, it's operators and multiply, right?
Oh,
What do you mean,
okay.
how? Yep, it's
Got
this block.
it.
And then the right answer is, well, number
It's
1 times number 2. So now if you get it wrong, you will also see the right answer.
O N M K O.
No.
And then
Oh, when you click the cat, for example, it asks me what is 8 times 3? No, we want to test this thing. The right answer is 24, but what if I just say 23?
what? How do you know that?
I just, you're supposed to know that.
Wait, what? I'm supposed to know that? What?
Kind of.
I mean, the white. Ah, shit, I got white wrong.
All right, be backing a bit. I'll be off to get some water.
Okay. Answer. Ace is that's a lot of numbers.
Do I need to put like a space after is?
Who knows? Ow, 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 ow.
Okay, I am back.
Hey, what is that sound?
I'm back now. All right.
Okay.
It doesn't say anything.
It doesn't say anything still? That's weird. So if you use a say block, it should say something though. That's weird. It
Ow,
doesn't,
my finger hurts very bad.
if it doesn't say anything, wait, because I can't exactly see what's wrong on my side. So
This is hard. What's the time?
Please share my screen.
okay, you can share screen. Yeah, that will be
What's
helpful.
9? 90? Four?
Yep.
Oh, we're on.
I can see it now.
What?
So what is number one? And then if
94.
answer equals, yeah, what is 1 times 3? And then you have to, so yeah, type a space after what is inside the huge ask thing. Yeah, put a space.
700.
Like what is and then space.
100. What's 100? That's
And
a.
then times, put a space before and a space after. Put a space and then times. And then space. Yep. And then now try it again.
Okay.
Click
Delete.
click the cat again. Yep. 3. Oh wait.
I got it working.
Oh yeah. Okay. Alright. What is? Oh wait, that is so weird though. That's very weird. So what is 1 times 9? If you just type 9, it still doesn't do anything.
You got it wrong. How can I go?
Yes.
That's I've actually never
How can I
encountered
got
that.
it wrong? I didn't got wrong. This is so hard.
What is? Can you just try typing 9 again? I wanna see.
This is too hard for
What
science.
the? That's actually that's very weird. Okay, what if you click the red stop and then click the green flag again just to restart it? And then click the cat. Oh yeah, it works now. Yeah, it's kind of a refreshing thing. Yep, should work now. Test it out.
What's 9 times? What's 9 times 8? This is so hard.
Yep, good job.
Oh. Mayo.
Or anybody down for some
Oh.
math challenges?
Not me. I don't know my brain, but I'm.
All right.
here.
What is? Does anybody want to play my version? I'll
No,
share it.
it's too hard.
I'm never playing your version.
Okay. Okay. Let's see.
Do 100 and 100.
Nah, 100 and 100 is too hard.
Oh.
It's too hard for an average person.
Oh.
There's probably somebody who could do it on this planet.
I guess scientists.
Probably not. I don't think so. I mean, scientists are not necessarily good at math. I will tell you that.
But they're scientists.
But they don't have to be.
Not good at math.
Yeah.
Well, it depends. You can have scientists that are not very good at math. That happens.
What is
What's
5
important in
times
science
10?
isn't math.
The more important thing is I love Christmas.
Yeah.
100.
Yeah. So, all right. Anybody wanna? If you wanna play my version, I already clicked share. I will send a link in chat, and then if you wanna check it out. Here,
Oh my god, I want to check it out.
this is my version.
Oh no. I see Scratch on YouTube. No, this is no. I'm not doing it. It's too hard.
It's from 10 to 15.
It's like too hard.
How did you make the background?
Oh,
I can do it. It was the first one 100 and the second one 50.
huh? First one is what? 100?
Yeah, and the second one's 50.
So
I'm
like
doing it.
like 150 like here?
Yeah,
Like
I
this?
gave you 1 star.
it's pretty easy.
Pretty easy.
Wait, today is June 16th.
Are you sure? 46 times 11.
Wait, how can I put your version? What should I do with your version?
You don't have to do anything. Just
471.
471. 46 times 11?
471.
471.
Humongous!
Well, I think it's 570. Wait, I think it's. I think it's. Let's see.
46 times 10 is 460.
No,
It's 506.
it's
Yeah.
506. I forgot because
Yes.
wait, it's
Six.
plus another 46. It's not enough. It's plus another 69.
62 times 46. Yeah, I mean, it's not the easiest.
Times 46 is
I have a question. What should I do on
That's
12 times. Okay, this is way too hard.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I said make it a maximum 20.
I have a question. How can I put your version?
Click the link in the chat.
And
It will bring you to my version.
and
And then you can play it.
how?
Just click the cat.
Wait, why you can click the cat? What is 13 times 13? Okay, what is it? I'm gonna have my calculator help me.
169.
Oh my god. Please. It's
Mom,
100
They used to call me a human calculator.
100 and
10 times 11, 17 times 11. I have no idea.
yeah.
187.
What? I got
You know.
one.
I just know. 11 times 20. That's
I won
220.
now.
I don't get it right every single time. No.
What?
Good at math.
13 times.
I'm good at math.
Oh,
I know a lot of things. I'm good at math.
What is 18 times?
15.
270.
Times 17 equals 360. It's 360.
See, you could practice multiplication with this.
With this.
If it's
with
wrong, it will
this,
tell you the right answer.
With this. It's right. Knew it.
You want to know one secret trick I do?
Yeah.
Now my mom keeps asking me to play a game that I made. Now she can play it. Well, her.
What?
Oh, I got my white. Should I do it? 5 to 100.
Don't
Make
do
it
it.
extra hard.
Don't do it. If you make it 100, it's not about extra hard. It's about being unreasonable. Okay. From 1 to 10 is normal mode, like easy mode. Like 1 to 15 is normal. 1 to 20 is pretty hard. And 1 to anything above 20 is like really, really, really hard.
做完了，
And people don't usually know it.
没有。
妹妹过来。
Your version uses a calculator because it's hard.
Mm-hmm. What is 4 times 7?
1
Yeah.
times 7. Okay. 35.
Okay, that's easy.
Is this 35?
For what?
5 times 7 equals 35.
Yes.
Whoa. Your head is smart. Or your brain is smart.
It's not about smart. It's more like practice. Practice make perfect. That's what I like. That's what everybody likes to say.
Okay.
If
Okay,
you-
next
if
one.
you- Are you quizzing me
Wow.
by any chance?
I didn't
Are you
know I
perhaps
used it.
are you perhaps quizzing me with your calculator?
Yes.
Well, you realize there's nothing stopping me from pulling up a calculator too, right?
Yeah. 160. Man, your questions are hard. Questions are too hard.
The questions are too hard, maybe.
Yeah. What is 18 times 7? Okay, that's easy. Use my calculator. 126.
Mm-hmm, I figured.
Wow.
My screen share.
That's
sure.
hard.
Of course.
11 times 5. That's 55. That was it. 55.
5 times 11.
No. Okay, you're got right. 7 times 2. Oh, 7
Ooh.
times 2.
Now this game is actually working and fun. If you know multiplication.
Wait, 7 times 2. 7 2 equals 7. Wait, is it 7? It's 7. Please be 7. I can use my calculator if I'm wrong. Oh, it's 14.
All right, now whenever you need multiplication practice, you know where to do it.
And scratch.com.
Yay! In the project you just made. Okay, now everybody remember to click save now.
Wait, Dad, click on my. Wait, I didn't click save on my iPad.
You have to save it
On my
now.
iPad?
On whatever device you're using Scratch on, click save now.
Okay. No! Please, mouse. Please. Okay. Wait, I can click save.
If you can click save, it's saved. If it's not
Saved.
there, then it's probably already saved.
It's saved.
Yay.
That was fun. Using my calculator was fun. I can try myself with my calculator. What's 450? What is 405,003 times equals. Hey, what is 5, 6 times 79, 4, 6, 6, 3, 4, then equals. Wow, that's a big number.
Hey, big number, yeah.
Yeah.
进来吗？
Infinity bed.
我只是把门关了，因为太亮了。
Well, one of the Here's a fun fact.
Listen,
Back when I was around your age, I used to get scolded in math class all the time.
wait, what you did?
Yeah. Do you know why?
Oh,
Well, not because I got questions wrong. It was because I was like half the time I was sleeping in class.
what?
Wait,
You
wait, what?
Yeah.
What?
I made
this box
What did you say? Left in class?
Yeah, a little bit.
Sleeping class?
Half the
We're sleeping
You mean like
in the night.
no, the thing is, I was okay. I was kind of bored, and I took a nap, and the teacher will sometimes just pick on me, but then I still got the questions right, so my teacher can actually complain.
That was so.
wait, so you're sleeping while you still get the questions right?
Yeah,
That
How do you sleep while getting the questions right?
yeah. Teacher wake me.
That's how to good sleep at night.
Yeah, teacher wake me up. Go like answer this question. I'm like, I took 2 seconds to look at it. I'm like, okay, I know the answer. Kind of goes like that.
You can sleep in class and you're like a superhero.
Not exactly. Yay.
What? So weird.
Mm.
It's kind of like you're literally dreaming off, and then you suddenly get a question right.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
Like, oh, like what's 6 times a million or something like that? You're like, oh, I know the answer.
Mm,
I have a question.
pretty much. Yeah.
Well, were you thinking about the question you were sleeping?
No, of course not. Why would I?
What? Because I would do that.
Silly.
Like, okay, it's just like, what's the point of sleeping if I'm gonna think about the question?
I don't know.
Literally.
How do people manage to take naps when they're actively thinking about a question?
I don't know.
Exactly, you don't. You should
That's
take a nap.
my-
You're not thinking.
That's my problem. I'm think all the time.
Guys, don't sleep in class like I did.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm not normal. Don't do that.
Okay.
Now, if you want to make this like the easier version, instead of multiplication, you could do addition.
Okay, what's 6 times 1 times 6 0 1 2 3 4 6?
Yeah, you could make this game a lot easier or a lot harder.
Easier, of course.
Yeah,
Make it harder because if somebody else plays it, maybe I want to make it like harder. Like, 'cause what is it?
harder.
Like some big kids play it. Like right in the middle, like some big kids play and they get every single.
Okay, here's the thing. If it's from 10 to 20, it's more than enough. I'm telling you.
What is
Oh,
9
yeah.
times?
One of them is 1 to 5, and the other one is 1 to 20. Is that good?
That could be.
You got one? How can I go wrong?
That is actually not that hard. Yes. But if you okay, here's the thing. If you want big kids to play it, put everything between 10 to 20. And then it'll be fine. Half the people in my grade can't do this. Don't worry.
It's 9 times 0 equals 0.
9 times 0 equals anything times 0 equals 0.
What?
Yeah.
I almost dropped this.
Anything times 1 is the same.
Yeah, I know that.
One that just
What is 8 times 9? Ooh, that's hard.
72. That's
I
easy.
do. Wait,
72.
is that correct?
Yeah.
72? Please be what? It is. But that's a smart way. That's a smart brain. 2 brains. Smart 2 brains.
Alright. Hey,
SEL.
you're off the game working. Yay. Anyways, I
Anyways,
think
What does a pin do in the meeting?
pen. Oh, it just focuses
meow,
the
meow,
camera.
meow, meow,
It
meow.
doesn't do much.
What?
It focuses your camera.
It was meow, meow, meow.
Okay, I'm
You
gonna.
can't meow literally.
Mhm.
Gordon.
Yup.
Anyways, I
Gordon.
think
Meow, meow.
that's,
What?
I never came to your
Yeah.
house. Oh,
we all have the project down. Okay, did we did we
Yep.
all click save?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right,
This is my
yay!
second time.
Nice job. We have project saved and we have it complete. Yay!
Yay.
Wait the huh.
Well, anyways, I think let's call it a day and see you guys next Tuesday.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
This looks like a dinosaur.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Maybe I'll work on
What the?